Hello. Hello. Hello from the other side. What's good, chat? We're back here with another bang. It's not really a bang, it's basically like a vlog. But today we have a couple of things we need to get done. It's Friday today. I think it's the 12th or something like that. Yeah, I think it's the 12th. It's the 12th of June today. But today we got our last preparations because tomorrow's the car show. Youth Fest, in fact. So today we'll officially be test driving the car because we have to go do wheel alignment and fix my exhaust pipe. I've been saying this. Chat, finally. So yeah, I need to get that done. And then, yeah. So I'm going to do the essential things first. Like, get myself out of bed. It's cold. Get myself out of bed. And I think they left money on the table for Moke or something. Get out, and then I'll see y'all when I go to the wheel alignment. And then when I'm starting the car, I think I'm going to rinse the car because I'm going to take it to the car wash on Saturday. I need a vacuum inside. Car show, you can't be going with a dirty car to the car wash. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to take the car for a test drive, wheel alignment, and maybe some small side quests, here and there. See ya, chat. But listen quick, I want y'all to hear carefully to that. My pipe is loose as hell though. So far so good. Car's moving that-ish. This is why I play music, but I can't even play music now because of copyright claim. But my pipe is hitting hard, so firstly, the first stop we're going to is King's motor spares to do the wheel alignment. We got connections there, so most probably gonna be quick. And my petrol light is about to come on, so I also need to put money in before tomorrow. So yeah, chat. I'm gonna get some glimpses of how the car drives, but right now I just wanna get there because of this sound in the exhaust pipe,
Hey, can I call you?
Snap your video while it's
Round it.
yeah.
What's this thing?
Has a problem because it needs a new rubber here, then you need to weld the exhaust completely.
So it's completely.
Like broke off there, but it can be welded, but you first organize
Need to first clamp the clamp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna break off again. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Cool. Yeah. Problem upon a problem. They say problem upon a problem. Pardon? I must come down. How much what?
But nuts.
What's los?
Never tighten. You start tighten. You don't have tighten, but not tighten. It's also shaking. The wheels are loose. We'll try and tighten it up and see what happens.
Are you gonna try?
Because I kind of like it like that. Because tighten it.
Can I just take another picture of you?
Let's move all the way.
Thank you.
This drop of yours, when you hit a bump, that there's a touch, doesn't touch.
No.
Actually, your wheels are slightly back in. If I bring them up a bit, stay straight, it's probably gonna knock. You're standing about here, so you hit the bump. I think I'll just leave them slightly in like this, but just when it hits the bump, it can.
No problem. So it's gonna make the car lower.
No, I think it's gonna make a go higher.
Okay.
So lift the wheels up.
Okay.
The way it is now, to stay there, I'll just set the tires the other way. But if I wanna bring it up to like our normal car is, our wheels stay straight.
Yeah. It's gonna hit the
It's gonna go a
fender.
little bit higher.
And hit
Also,
the
what
fender.
it will do is when you hit the bump,
It's gonna hit the fender. Okay, no problem. Chat, wheel alignment done. I'm on my way to Uncle Niven. On my way to Niven's Motors now. Yeah. Okay. So chat, it's a lot of bad news right now. Loki crying in silence. Like, it's bad. I mean, it makes my car sound nice, but the way it's looking, I'm not happy. I'm not happy the way it looks. Because, oh no. Oh no, what does that sound? Oh, for the chips. Hold on, let me just drive so I can get to the events properly. I will speak now. Yeah. What a vlog, eh? I swear. Every time I take this car to a place to get it fixed, it's always bad news, eh? It's always bad news. But there's a good news. The good news is that the wheel alignment is okay. But then the whole exhaust pipe is cracked. No, I'm not gonna lie though. The car sounding louder now, so I might just keep it like this and then just try to, just keep the thingy, I'm gonna try tighten it when I can, but then I know for a fact if I weld that exhaust pipe, it won't be as loud as it is now. I mean, it's sounding nice, but then there's a, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the Youth Fest video. So I don't know. I might add it into this one, and then it'll be one video, or I would do 2 separate videos because I need to do some more content. You know what I'm saying? But no. See. I'll see you. I'm just hungry right now. I just want to eat. I just want to eat.
This